Oh, hey everybody.
Hey, what are you doing, Jay?
We got our CPT hooked up, brought it out for the first trial. I'm obviously manning the helm right now and eating chicken at the same time. Everything seems to be working good. The only one issue that we had in the startup was the motor was programmed where it was running opposite of what we needed. It's a simple fix. In the manual,
Page 7.
page 7, you turn the unit off, push 3 buttons, turn it on, count to 5, let go, and the motor reversed, and now it's operating perfectly. So I'm on watch right now, and I'm doing a really